As a car manufacturer, we know lots about our vehicles. Historically, we've got big databases about our cars. We know where they're produced, what ship they were sent to us on, and lots about their service history and repair. But we didn't know so much about our customer. And we wanted to get into having a more personal relationship dialogue with our consumers. What we wanted to do was gather an understanding about our customer and in-source the knowledge and the data inside Mazda for us to be using to reduce complexity and cost from our business. That led us on the journey for a CDP.
There's a lot of excitement in CDP to have so many multiple data sources today. Is really being able to first have identity resolution to figure out who is a customer and to figure out what is that customer, what needs do they have, what's the actual profile.
What we really want to do is make sure we deploy the benefits that we can get through the CDP across the ownership phase and keep a good relationship with the customer, make sure they have a great experience. We can target them for other things that we wouldn't normally been able to in the past because we've got that knowledge and that connection to the customer. We very quickly realized that there were big benefits for us in terms of implementation of strategy, speed, and ongoing cost of operation by heading towards Oracle, CX Unity, and some of the other tools in their marketing stack. It has been a relatively straightforward journey for us, starting with good documentation and clear use cases and clear objectives. So that we've been able to achieve. We've had about a 230% increase in lead submissions, which is clearly quite big. And of those leads, a 5% increase in actual order uptake at the dealership. Be respectful about the data element of this, unifying all your data together, but don't be scared about it. It's complex, but it's not as complex as you sometimes might think it is. This is the long-term investment, and it's a tool that can help your whole business.